Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, your friend GM is here to share more about English literature. Today I have chose the topic for my video is the Romantic Age 1800 to 1837 chronology. Let's start our video from the second slide. First of all, we will discuss about the kings of the era. George III, 1760 to 1820. George IV, 1820 to 1830. William IV, 1830 to 1837. History of the period 1789 to 1999. French Revolution. 1805 Battle of Trafalgar, 1807 Abolition of slave trade, 1815 Battle of Waterloo, 1819 First Atlantic Steamship, 1826 First Temperance Society, 1830 First Railway, 1832 Reform Bills, 1833 Emancipation of Slave, 1834 System of National Curriculum, 1837 Queen Victoria, 1798 Lyrical Ballad, literature of the period, 1798 Lyrical Ballad, 1796 to 1816 Jane Austen's novel, 1805 to 1817 Scott's poem, 1807 Wordsworth's Ode to Immortality, Lamb's Tale from Shakespeare, 1810 to 1813 Coleridge's Lecture on Shakespeare, 1814 to 1831 Waverley Novels, 1807 Coleridge's Biographia Literaria, 1817 to 1820 Keats' poem, 1818 to 1820 Shelley's Prometheus Unbound, 1820 to 1833 Essay of Elia by Lamb, 1821 De Quincey's Confession, 1824 to 1846 Lander Imaginary Conversation, 1853 to 1861 De Quincey Collected Poems. Thanks to watch the video. Please subscribe and promote, like my channels. Thanks once again to watch and listen the video. I hope it will be very fruitful in your exams. God bless you. Stay blessed. Thank you so much once again.